for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, what up, guys? It's KoolKard with another episode of All Cool Stuff. Now, this one I decided I'm going to do off camera today because it's just a simple unboxing of a screen protector for an iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus, 7 Plus, and an 8 Plus. It comes with a frame that you put the screen protector into, and it perfectly aligns the screen protector so that you always get a perfect fit onto the phone. I've never seen anything like it. It's so simple to do. A 10-year-old could do it, and it's a perfect fit. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it right now. Alright, so I'm going to be working with an iPhone 6. Actually, you know what? Let me take that away for now. Let me show you what's in the box. So we unbox this thing, and we got the frame. Alright, looking at this. Let's get this out of here. I don't really need that too much. So we got the frame. You flip it over, and you have these little rubber things here. And this is what's going to attach to the front of the screen, and it's going to hold it in place. And then we're simply just going to put it down over the phone, and boom, voila. All right, now there is a technique, there's a method to putting this on, as far as using your fingers in the middle of this here to basically compress the screen protector onto the phone, and that you get a good suction, if that makes any sense to you. Let me set this to the side. This right here is just a screen protector accessory to get dust off the screen. But today I'm going to be using a phone that just got a brand new screen on it. So the screen should be clean because it still has a film over it. Alright. And then here's the screen protectors and these little things right here. So not much to see. But we're going to get this out of the way. We're going to use one screen. We'll put that away. Move that over to the side right there. Actually, move it up here. Alright. Like I said, I don't need to clean the phone. I'm going to be using an iPhone 6 Plus. So I'm going to take this off of here. It should be clean. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the screen protector out of here. Let's figure out which side we need to use. This is the side with the film. So this side right here is the side that's going to go down. This is called the AGVEE EasyPie because it's easy as pie. Go figure. So we got that right there. Alright, so let me put this up like so. Let me slide this up and get it down in there. You want to get it down in there perfectly. So when you put it on the phone, it's a perfect fit. Alright. So now I have this in here. It's a good fit. So I'm going to take this off, but I'm going to clean the phone screen first of any dust to make sure there's no dust on there. So I got the screen pretty clean on the phone. I don't think there's any dust on there. Let's go ahead and take the film off on this. Now, here's the moment of truth. Let's stick this on like so. See if we can't get that perfect fit. Alright, I got it down on there. Now, the technique that you're supposed to use to make sure that you get a firm press and a firm stick with this screen protector is like so. You want to use one finger, come from this edge here, come down, go up to this edge. Up, you see it, I hear it sticking. And then you want to come back down. You want to come over here. You want to come up, and then go down here. And I hear it sticking on there. Yeah, okay. There we go. Looks like we're getting somewhere. So I heard it stick. So I'm thinking we're good to go. An easy install. If I wasn't doing a tutorial, it'd probably take like literally 3 minutes to do this. But I was taking my time so I could show you guys, making sure that the screen was clean, the whole nine. We should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and press this up here. It doesn't say how to press this one up here, but I'm gonna go ahead and just press it how I press it. Alright. I think we're money. And I think we have a perfect fit too. Thinking we have a perfect fit, y'all. I'm gonna take it off in just a sec. I'm just gonna run my fingers over it one more time. And it's looking like a perfect fit. Look at that there. Oh, and by the way, this is a 9H glass screen protector. The surface hardness is 9H, so it's pretty durable, pretty tough. It's tempered glass, of course, oleophobic coating, so you won't have too many fingerprints. I'm seeing it right now. It doesn't look like it's too many prints on there, and it says it's high transparency. So I'm thinking this might be the best there is, because I've never seen anything like this, and this is looking like a perfect fit. Do you see that there? I'm thinking that's a perfect fit. Let me just rub right here. Rub the edges down. That's looking like a perfect fit to me. Now this EasyPie installation frame is patented by AGVEE. They created this, they invented this, they have patented this. I haven't seen anything like this, but I'm pretty sure there's some other frames out there that do the same thing, but I've not seen it look like this, I don't think. Yeah, because I really don't think, I've heard of frames, but I haven't seen them. So I don't know what they look like, but I know what this looks like, and this is pretty cool. Very effective, easy installation, anyone can do it, perfect fit. The only thing you have to worry about with this installation is just making sure that the screen is clean. You don't have any debris on it, any smudges, because it will be up under the glass and it might look like trash. And the best thing of this all is that you can pick this up on Amazon for under $10. And I will be leaving the link down below so that you can take advantage of this great invention yourselves, because I know you're going to need it. Why wouldn't you? You want a straight screen protector. Oh, and also the thickness of this glass screen protector is 0.1 millimeters. So it's very, very thin. So the response to your fingertips and your touch on this is just like you don't even have a screen protector on. Hey, it's been another one with KoolKard. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please, hey, it's been another one with your boy KoolKard. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like what I'm dropping here. And I will be back around with more products. I have several coming in. So I'm going to share them with you guys. And hopefully you can find something that you like and you can take advantage of. All right, until next time. Peace.
Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.